In today's video, I'll show you how to delete and restore notes in Granola AI. So let's say you accidentally created a note, or maybe you just don't need it anymore. Deleting it is actually very simple. Just hover your mouse over the note you want to remove, and you'll see 3 dots appear on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click those 3 dots, then select Move to Trash. Once you move the note to the trash, you'll notice that the trash folder will appear at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. If you have a lot of folders, you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Now, if you change your mind and want to bring the note back, just open the trash folder. From there, click the back arrow to restore the note, and it will go back to its original location. But if you're sure you don't need it anymore, you can click the trash button to delete it permanently. Just keep in mind that notes that stay in the trash for more than 30 days will automatically be permanently deleted. And remember, once a note is permanently deleted, there's no way to recover it. So always double check before removing anything for good. And that's it. That's how you delete and restore notes in Granola AI. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.